Hey guys, what's going on? So, you hear the 3D printer going, but what are we printing? So, in this video, we're going to be printing a battery dispenser. This is it right here. I got this from Thinkiverse. I will leave a link in the description below where you can download the files. I am currently printing this on my Voxelab 3D printer. It's kind of a long one. It's like 13 hours. So, let's go ahead and open it up just so y'all can see the file. This is it right here. So very simple design, but very effective. These are the parameters that we're going to be using. So we're not trying to go super fast. I'm still new at printing, so 200C, 60 PLA. We got some red Voxelab in there. And if you ever need to change a 3D image to a G code, you can open it up in the Voxelab and automatically change it. So that's one way to do it. So we'll come back once it's done. I've got to work tomorrow, unfortunately. There was a little bit of a hanger right here from when I cleaned it out and changed out the filament. But so far so good. Let's give it the 14 or 13 hours that are left on it. And I'll also grab some batteries. Alright, I'm about 6 hours into this print. All it's got is the upper half left to go, so it should go a lot quicker. So far, so good. I spoke too soon. I didn't realize that one of the edges pulled up. Not terrible. I think it's still functioning. It looks like it's just that corner. That's probably, honestly, from running it with the fan going, but we'll see. This is version like 6 of this thing, so could just be a simple infill error or something. We're gonna print a couple more items, so I'll let y'all know. Alright guys, well here it is. I did have a couple errors. Like right here, I had something go on with the print. Didn't affect its build quality or anything, but it was on that layer. And then it looks like they changed the structure right here. But yeah, it holds plenty of batteries. So I think we're good to go. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description to this file. Also, this was with stock settings. I didn't change anything. And this is actually with Voxelab Filament, PLA. A couple of hairs that need to be burned off. I'm going to go ahead and tweak this design a little bit, actually, to more suit my job, because I'm going to build a bigger one for AAA, AA, C, and D batteries at my job. That way I can have one in my locker and store all these. So that was made with the Voxelab Aquila. And this is Mitty's World. Thanks for watching.